Beautiful! Oh, lovely work right here. And 6 leading points for Kyrgyzstan, the Republic of Kyrgyzstan, with 6 leading points, 3 points for Azerbaijan, and 8 points for Kyrgyzstan. The Republic of Kyrgyzstan, lovely, and he puts his hands high here. Winner with the referee in charge from the red corner. Congratulations. And the gold, here we go with the flag, and he's running around with the flag of his nation, his country. Great match, a great performance. Perfect performance here.